Hello friends, this video on noun part 4 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now we will discuss the next category of noun, which is abstract noun. Now abstract noun is the most interesting type of noun. You know why? Because most of the time looking at these words, people are not able to identify them as nouns. Now why is that? Because the word abstract means something which is not very concrete, which doesn't really exist physically. So all those kind of things, they come under the category of abstract noun. So nouns that denote ideas, quality or state of something. So, and all of these, if you see whether it is an idea or a quality or a state, you somehow feel their presence, but you kind of cannot see them existing physically, or you cannot touch them many a times. So their physical presence is not felt, not seen much, but their presence is always felt. Now which are the words? For example, if you talk about say strength, so strength is something, the word strength is something which is a quality basically, and any quality can be felt, but all these qualities, they come under abstract noun. Let us look at a group of words which come under the category of abstract nouns. So we have three different colors which shows whether they belong to ideas or quality or state. So if you see here, honesty is a quality. Wisdom again is a quality. On the other hand, if you look at laughter, so what is laughter? So laughter is not a quality. Laughter is an action. So when you laugh, then comes the laughter. So laughter in a way represents, you can say, action. If you talk about theft or judgment, so all of these are actions. So theft is what? When somebody steals something. So the action done by a thief is theft. Similarly, the action done by a judge is judgment, right? So these are all actions. If you talk about words like slavery or poverty or childhood, so these are all they all fall under the category of state. So childhood is a state. It is that state when you are a child. So that phase of life when you are a child, that's childhood. Similarly, slavery is also a state when one is a slave. Poverty is a state when somebody is very poor. Sleep is again a state when you are not fully in your consciousness. Youth is a state when you are in that particular age group of your life, right? Again, if you talk about hatred, hatred is not a state. Hatred is an action. So the action of hating is hatred, right? So all these words, they are all nouns because they are all things. However, they are abstract things. You might not see hatred. See, in the sense, you might not be able to touch hatred, or you might not be able to see its physical presence, but you can always feel its presence, right? So these are all examples of abstract noun. Now, let's look at these examples. Honesty is the best policy. So here honesty is the abstract noun because honesty is a quality. Rohit speaks the truth. So here truth is an abstract noun because truth is again an idea, you can say. It is something which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched, but it can be felt. Its presence can be felt. I miss my childhood days. So childhood is a state. It was a state when I was a child. So any state again comes under the category of abstract noun. Now there is another interesting fact about the formation of abstract nouns. How are these abstract nouns formed? Now abstract nouns can be formed from common nouns, from verbs and from adjectives. So right now on the screen, we see a couple of words which are not abstract nouns. For example, mother, agent, owner, thief, patriot. These are all examples of common nouns. Similarly, laugh, think, see, occupy, discover. These are all examples of verbs. And bitter, proud, true, dark, wise. These are all examples of adjectives, right? So none of these is abstract noun, but we will see that we can form abstract noun from each of these words. For example, from the word mother, we can form an abstract noun called motherhood. So mother represents a person. It represents a class of person. So mother is a common noun, but motherhood represents a state that a mother goes through. So therefore it is abstract noun. So motherhood is not, it doesn't identify a person. It identifies a state that a mother goes through. So motherhood is abstract noun. Agent represents a person. So agent is a common noun, but agency is a common noun. Agency is an abstract noun, because you know that agency is basically it's something which is done by the agent. So agency is an abstract noun. Owner is again common noun, but ownership is an abstract noun. So ownership is something which is which can only be felt. It cannot be seen. It is not a physical entity, but ownership is an abstract noun. Thief is a common noun because thief represents a person, but theft is an abstract noun. So theft is an action done by the thief. Patriot is a common noun because it again represents a class of people, but patriotism is an abstract noun. Patriotism is the feeling of the patriots. So feeling again comes under abstract noun. Similarly, if you look at the verbs like laugh, so to laugh, to do anything is verb. So laugh is verb, but laughter, so what comes after laughing, that's laughter. So laughter is abstract noun. Think is a verb, but thought is an abstract noun. Like his thought changed my mind, right? So thought is basically an entire idea. So that's why it is abstract noun. See, to see is verb, but sight is abstract noun. Occupy is verb, but occupation or occupancy is abstract noun. Discover is verb, but discovery is abstract noun. Similarly, if you look at the adjectives, bitter is an adjective, but bitterness is an abstract noun. Proud is an adjective, but pride is abstract noun. True is adjective, but truth is abstract noun. Dark is adjective, but darkness is abstract noun. For example, you might say that the room is very dark. So in that case, dark gives some information about the room. So in that case, dark is an adjective. But if you say, I hate darkness, that means darkness is a quality which you hate, right? So in the darkness is a quality, but dark shows some feature of a noun, like the room is very dark. So it tells you that a quality of the room. So therefore dark is an adjective. Wise is an adjective, but wisdom is a noun, which is an abstract noun. So basically abstract nouns are formed either from common nouns or from verbs or from adjectives. So you can try to find out more words which are verbs or adjectives and try to form abstract nouns from them.
Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.